If you're driving a vehicle model years 2018 through 2023 with less than 70,000 miles, please pay close attention to this public notice. Late model used vehicles are in high demand and the market is experiencing critical shortages. Sunset Ford of Sumner has immediate needs in their inventory and is offering the market's best incentive to upgrade. Or just sell your vehicle to Sunset outright for cash. With what Sunset Ford will offer you in trade value, it's possible to drive home in a brand new Ford with little or no money out of your pocket and just about the same monthly payment. Plus, you get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included. We're serious, folks. Or sell your vehicle to Sunset outright for cash and spend your money wherever you'd like. Just bring your vehicle to Sunset Ford of Sumner for a professional evaluation and written offer. Sunset Ford of Sumner, just off Highway 410, down the hill from Bonney Lake.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
More for your vehicle, and people do like that.